Welcome to more electric uke lessons. We're still at mixed jam level, so I'm only showing the clip and isolated track. If you're a beginner and would prefer I go slower, you might start with the earlier videos. For gear, I'm using a Clearwater tenor uke, also called a Vorsen, with a compressor, octave pedal, pitch shifter, and zoom. Next up is the patch and tab, and you can screen cap them if it helps. I think I'll stop, or at least pause for now, at episode 200. That seems like a nice, even, arbitrary number. I hope you're enjoying the videos. I don't make a penny from them, but it's good to give back something, and I admit that I'm, hopefully, also improving via playing these songs. So until I return, tune your uke and let's play. You've probably noticed I do a lot of Canadian bands, partly because I am Canadian, but also because these bands aren't done to death already on YouTube and social media. That said, although April Wine is huge inside Canada, it's not as well known outside the country, so there's not as much tab or tutorials for me to go on. I think this is what the riff is. Although it might be this. Although there's so much distortion on that riff, it might not make a difference. You can try both and see which one you like.